Legs are the most beautiful part of human's body. It is naturally strong and attractive. But you should do some of the workouts to get a more beautiful and strong legs, which can attract any person. Also very helpful for daily course. So hello friends, this is Rakta and very welcome again to our YouTube channel. Here we are going to see yoga for beautiful and strong legs. So let's get start the video. Now the time to say bye. Take care. Meet you in next video. Till that, keep smiling and spread happiness.